Okay, let's look at an example of 2D range tree and see how it is built. So 2D range tree, we have the main tree. For example, here this is a tree, and here I have another tree, and it goes on. And this one is based on the x-axis, namely it is ordered based on the x-axis. And for each v, for each node, I have another tree which takes all what is in the subtree of v and creates another tree which is now based on sorting based on the y-axis. So this is 2D range tree, and I want to do an example to explain how it looks and how it works. So let's think that I have a main tree which look like this one. This is 9, let's say. This is 7. This is 13. This is 20. This is 23. And here in the leaves are the points and curves. For example, 30, 20. And here we have 23, 8. And here we have 45, 3. And we can see how the tree is built. And here I have the tree in the left side. I will just ignore that. You can see that if I look at a node, even this node, what I see that this value is the maximum value of the left subtree of that node. You can see that here in this subtree we have 13, which is the max, which is represented by that node. And this is how those range trees are built. Okay, so what is this value? I'm going to the left subtree and I'm looking for the maximum value in that left subtree. And remember that I'm here looking only on the x-axis, so I'm looking for the maximum value in the x-axis of the points that are as leaves. So now I take a node, let's say v, but I do it for any other node, and I create the corresponding tree which is based on the y-axis ordering. So how do I do that? I take the same points and just order them based on the y-axis. So here I have 3, 8, 20 and 5, and I do a range tree, so this first value will be the maximum value of the left subtree. So what I will get, that if I order by y-axis, I will have the points like 35, 3, the next one will be 12, 5, the next one will be 23, 8, and the next one will be 13, 20. So of course this one will be the maximum of the left subtree, so this will go to here, and here I'll have 5. Great. Now I'll go to the left and I'll go to the right. Here note that I'm only looking on the y-axis of the points. Here I will have the value which is the maximum value of the left subtree. Of course in the left subtree I'll just have this value, so we'll have a 3 and this is 1 here. Again, this is the maximum value of the left subtree, so this is here. Now I'm looking to here. Here what I will have is a value which is the maximum value of the left subtree. Left subtree is 8, so 8 is here, and 20 here. So this is what you can see here is the left, is the corresponding y-axis ordering of this node, and I do it for any other node in the tree, for this one, for that one, for this one, for that one, not for the leaves. And I get the corresponding y-axis tree for each node from the main x-axis tree. And this is how the 2D range tree works and how the corresponding y-axis ordering or the second dimension ordering works for each node in the main tree, which for example here is based on the x-axis. Thank you very much. If there are any mistakes or corrections, please tell me. This is for demonstrating how the two-range tree is built and working, and with an example. Thank you very much. If there are any mistakes or corrections, please tell me, and that's it.